Hi, first graders and families. Thanks for taking the time to watch this quick little video. I just wanted to reach out and say great job in finishing first grade. You guys all did amazing this year. I know the end of the year we were throwing some challenges with everything, but you all did fantastic. So a few things for the end of the year. I know we have a few days, weeks left. Our last day of school is May 21st. Please make sure that all progress, all attendance, everything is submitted by that day. If you are returning with AZVA for next school year, you're going to also want to make sure that your registration information is updated and that all paperwork has been submitted. If it has not been submitted and approved, there will be some point, sometime end of May, beginning of June, where they will have everything removed from the system and you might have to restart that process over. So just get it in if you can as soon as possible. If you are not returning with us, obviously we are going to miss you tremendously, but you will be receiving some information in your emails about how to return the materials. New families, families that are returning will be receiving labels as well, but then you will also get your materials sometime in July. The school year starts back up August 10th. So just be sure to check your email occasionally throughout the summer to stay on top of any information that might be coming out to you. I will be sending out some emails over the next couple of weeks just to give you some kind of reminders, also some practice material for you to work on this summer. There will be some reading, some writing, and also some math skills that I would like for you guys to work on. The other thing is Raz Kids. You can see here that we are in our Raz Kids account, and I wanted to just give you guys some information. You will have access to this during the summer. Please use it. You can download it on an app. You can use this wherever you're at. It is very fun, very encouraging for our students because they get to see those stars, they get to record themselves, and then it's working on all of these skills that we've worked so hard on this year, comprehension and retelling. So here is how we are going to access this. If you see that reading bubble, you will click on the reading, and then you can go into either one of the options that you have. If you go to the level up room, you will see the different varieties of books that you have at the level that you are at. Remember, you can listen to the story, you can read the story, and then there will be questions after the story. If you would like to choose a different variety of books, go to the reading room. And this is where I know my picture is right there in some of them, but you will see all of the varieties here. You can continue to scroll over and you'll see even more. So a few of the good ones that I would recommend for us are some of our fictional stories that you could click on and take a look at. These are great stories. We read a lot this year on Zotz and Abby. A few of the other ones here are some of our nonfiction stories. You can go in there, I know some of us enjoy different types of learning about different animals, different places. These are good ones. So go in there, take a look at that. And then the other option is just taking a look at the leveled books. So you can select a different variety of levels. Most of you have the variety from the beginning till, I don't know, probably about letter M maybe. Remember, our first grade is anywhere from D to I. So anywhere in there is about the first grade level. Okay, we want you guys to be reading in there this summer and play around and read some of the other ones, even Spanish and different poems or songs that are in here. Kind of a fun thing. Okay. When you do that, you can also earn stars. So you see up here, you can go to your stars, and I'll show you how to do that. Go down here to the beginning page and go to your star zone. You can do your avatar or your rocket room. So whichever one you choose to do, and you can use your stars. You can use those stars to buy things in there, okay? So I can show you this one. But this is a great site for you guys to practice those reading skills, practice those comprehension skills, and work on all of the strategies we've learned this school year, okay? I hope that you guys have a wonderful summer. I hope that you guys practice all of the material that I will be sending you. You guys are going to do amazing at second grade. I just know it. And I hope that you will keep in touch with me. So email me, let me know how things are going. I would love to hear from all of you. I will be sending you guys an email later on at the very last week of school with some end of the year material. So make sure that you are still checking your emails throughout the next couple of days and weeks. Okay? Have a wonderful day, guys. Great job with everything this school year. I sure have enjoyed every one of you, and I will miss you all dearly. Bye bye.